Hello and welcome back to our channel Jewel Journeys. Today we will discuss how to select jewelry according to the outfits you are wearing. This can be a fun way to enhance your overall look. Here's a general guide to help you choose the right jewelry based on the outfits you are wearing. Four considerations to be taken while selecting jewelry according to the type of outfits. So the first is the neckline of your outfit. The second is the color of your outfit. Third is the style of clothing you're wearing. And fourth is obviously the occasion for which you're wearing your outfit. Keeping these four things in mind, we will discuss how we can select our jewelry to enhance our overall look. So let's get started. First point, consider the neckline of your outfit. If you're wearing some V neckline, short V or long V, then you can opt for a pendant style necklace which just falls above your V neckline, or you can go for layered necklaces to accentuate your look. So if you're opting for some true necklines or round necklines, you can go for collar necklaces or choker necklaces to fill up the space. If you're wearing strapless or off-shoulder necklines, then you can go for some statement necklaces or some bold earrings to draw attention to your neckline and shoulders. If you're wearing some high neck outfits or some collar outfits, you can just skip the neckline and opt for stud earrings, bold earrings, or some bracelets to add interest without overwhelming the neckline. Also, you can opt for some bigger necklaces in your collar dresses to enhance your overall look if the outfit type is such. Second, we come to the color of the outfits. Now, for the color of outfits, we'll match the metal colors of our jewelry according to the colors of our outfits. If you're wearing some cool toned outfits like blues, greens or purples, then white gold, platinum jewelry or silver jewelry will complement these colors. If you're wearing some warm tone colors like oranges, reds or yellows, then gold or rose gold colored jewelry will enhance the warmth of these colored outfits. If you're wearing neutral color outfits like beige, white, black, gray, then you can opt for both gold or silver jewelry according to your personal preferences or other accessories you are wearing. Now let's coordinate your jewelry according to the clothing style. If you're wearing some casual outfits, then opt for some simple and underrated jewelry like stud earrings or statement necklines or some stackable bracelets. If you're wearing something formal or dressy outfits, go for some statement jewelry like chandelier earrings, layer necklaces, or bold cuffs, which will add glamour to your look. If you're going for bohemian or eclectic outfit, then you can mix and match different kinds of jewelry, combining vintage pieces with the modern ones to have that eclectic vibe. Now the fourth point and most important point is the occasion for which you're wearing your jewelry. So if you're going for some work or professional settings, stick to some subtle and conservative jewelry that doesn't distract, such as small studs or simple pendant necklaces. If you have special occasions of yours or your family members or your closed ones, feel free to experiment with more dramatic or ornate jewelry to complement your outfit and make a statement. If you're going for everyday wear, choose versatile pieces that can easily transition from day to night, such as hoop earrings or classic bracelets like tennis bracelets or some small pendant necklines. Overall, Balance is the key. If your outfit is already quite busy, opt for simpler jewelry to avoid overwhelming your look. After all, it is all about personal preference. So, these are the basic considerations we have in our mind while considering our jewelry, but nevertheless, it's all about your personal preference and your personal style. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more new updates. Also comment below your way of styling your jewelry according to your outfits. Thank you and stay tuned. See you next time.